Everybody, I'm Shalini Asthana working at Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, Chakeri, Kanpur. Today I'm going to share my experience of online teaching for the last 4-5 months. Friends, we all know that this COVID-19 pandemic has caused untold damage to the whole world, and especially to our education system, where our children had been bearing the brunt of this crisis. We know that it was very difficult when the lockdown was proposed by the government. The schools were closed, but our teachers did not give up. They started thinking of different methods of imparting education. They came out with so many different ideas, experimenting with different techniques, and so many children are now getting benefited through the online classes that are going on throughout the country. We know that the students and the teachers are all missing their schools, but at the same time I would like to say every worst situation has got a silver lining. One of this positive aspect which I found during this online teaching is the independent learning on the part of students. When I interacted with my students on the online classes through Google Meet, I found that they were very interested, and they told me that, ma'am, it was the time when they had to rise to the occasion. And they went for the independent learning, especially the students of higher classes. They started making their own study plan and they started ensuring for themselves. So that was something we have always been longing for. Now they were not waiting for the teacher's instructions, rather they started their own learning. Another thing which I found in them is they are really curious to go to the schools again, and they are longing to see their friends again. They are missing their interactive sessions in the school classrooms where they used to chat, they used to share their lunch box, they used to go to the sports and games field, they used to complain against their friends and so many things. Friends, we are all waiting for the time when everything will be over, but by then we'll be carrying out different activities, we'll be coming out with different new ideas, innovative ideas to cater our students according to their needs. The thing which I want to share today is we need to connect with our students in this time of crisis. We have to take care of their mental health as well as their emotional health. If we are able to make them understand the importance of having the emotional balance with their lives, it means the balance between their internal and external lives, it is something that will be our achievement, because this way they'll be able to cope up with their other issues of their lives. So, and friends, I want to share with you that please have a connection with your students. Make a bond with them so that they would be able to share something with you. And definitely if this happens, if we are able to make the students share their problems with the teachers, the time is not far when our motive will be accomplished. So we need to take care of our health also. We have to do regular exercises and we need to maintain a balanced routine for ourselves also. So this is all I have to say. And if you do have some ideas about the online teaching, so please do share it with me, and thank you for watching my video.